Your headlights are pointing too high, too low, or unevenly across the road. Misaligned headlights blind oncoming drivers, cut off your visibility, and even fail state inspections. The good news is that aligning headlights correctly takes 30 minutes with a tape measure, a wall, and basic hand tools. Here are 7 steps for proper headlight alignment from start to finish. Park on level ground with full tire pressure. The aiming process depends on your vehicle sitting at its normal ride height. The vehicle's job during alignment is to remain steady, level, and at correct ride height for accurate measurements. When tire pressure is low, the suspension is loaded unevenly, or the ground slopes. The headlight aim shifts during the process. Final results will be incorrect, even if every other step is performed perfectly. How to do it? Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface 25 feet away from a flat wall or garage door. Inflate all tires to the recommended PSI listed on your door jamb sticker. Remove any heavy items from the trunk. Have a helper of average weight sit in the driver's seat to simulate normal driving load during the alignment. Mark the headlight center line on the wall. Each headlight projects its brightest point directly forward from the center of its lens. Its job is to provide a measurable reference point on the wall. When you mark this point correctly, you have a baseline to align the beam pattern against the manufacturer's specification. Skipping this step makes the rest of the alignment guesswork rather than precise adjustment. How to do it? Use a tape measure to find the height from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Mark that exact height on the wall directly in front of each headlight. Mark the horizontal center line of each headlight on the wall. The result is 2 crosses marking where the brightest point of each beam should sit when properly aligned. Locate headlight adjustment screws. Most modern headlight assemblies have 2 adjustment screws, one for vertical aim and one for horizontal aim. Their job is to tilt the reflector inside the housing without moving the entire assembly. When these screws are turned, the beam pattern shifts up, down, left, or right. Identifying both screws on each headlight is the most important step before making any adjustments. How to do it? Open the hood and look on top of and behind each headlight assembly for 2 screws or knobs. The vertical adjuster is usually marked with up and down arrows or a V symbol. The horizontal adjuster is marked with arrows or an H symbol. Some vehicles require removing a plastic cover to access the adjusters from above the lights. Adjust the vertical aim first. It controls how high or low the beam projects on the road ahead. Its job is to provide forward visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. When the aim is too high, drivers ahead get blinded by the glare. When too low, your visibility shrinks dangerously, and you cannot see far enough ahead at highway speeds. Vertical alignment is the most critical adjustment for safety. How to do it? With the headlights on low beam, the brightest point of each beam should sit 2 inches below the centerline mark on the wall, 25 feet away. Use the vertical adjustment screw to raise or lower each beam until the brightest point matches the mark. Turn the adjuster a quarter turn at a time and check the result before continuing. Adjust the horizontal aim. It controls how far left or right each beam points. Its job is to keep the beam centered ahead of the vehicle. When the aim drifts left, oncoming drivers get blinded. When it drifts right, light spills into the ditch instead of illuminating the road. Each headlight should be adjusted independently to ensure both beams point straight ahead consistently. How to do it? Cover one headlight with cardboard so only the other beam shows on the wall. The brightest point of each beam should sit directly in line with the horizontal centerline mark on the wall, with no offset to the left or right. Adjust the horizontal screw until the beam pattern centers correctly. Repeat for the other headlight. Verify alignment with high beams. They use the same housing as low beams on most vehicles. Their job is to provide longer range visibility when no oncoming traffic is present. When low beams are properly aligned, high beams should also be in correct alignment automatically because they share the reflector. Verifying both beam patterns confirms the alignment is correct in both modes before testing on the road. How to do it? Switch the headlights to high beam and verify the beam pattern on the wall. The brightest spot should now sit higher than the low beam reference marks, but should remain horizontally centered. If high beams are off, It indicates a deeper issue with the reflector inside the housing, rather than an aim adjustment problem, and may need professional service. Test alignment on a dark road. The wall test is a starting point, but real-world driving is the final verification. The headlight's job is to provide adequate visibility at highway speeds while not blinding oncoming traffic. When alignment is correct, you can see at least 200 feet ahead on low beams without dazzling other drivers. The road test confirms the alignment numbers translate into real-world performance. How to do it? Drive on a dark, empty straight road at the speed limit. Note how far ahead you can clearly see road markings on low beams. Watch for flashing lights from oncoming drivers, which indicate your beams are too high. Make small fine-tuning adjustments at the wall and retest until both visibility and oncoming driver comfort are satisfactory.